Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can input different videos inside of text in CapCut PC. So go to text here and I'm just going to type in hey because I don't really want to use like 5 lettered words right now, but you can obviously do that. And I'm just going to go to media and I'm just going to go to background first. Add in the black stock video here. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And then you're just going to start adding videos. I'm just going to add these ones from live. Select the overlay first, go to blend mode and select the darken section. And then here I'm going to use this mirror mask to only show this part of the video. You can move the video around as well. I'm going to copy and paste it. Actually, no, I have to do this one by one. I'm just going to add this one next. And then I'm going to use a mirror mask and I'm just going to rotate it and I'm just going to place it where the E is. Lastly, I'm just going to use, let's say, this video. I'm just going to place that there, and again I'm going to use the mirror one, or you can even use the horizontal one if it's at the edge. And I'm just going to do that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!